In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 2931 multifunction color printer. This is an inkjet printer and I'm going to show you how to do the complete setup so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning. So first step is to plug in the power cable that goes at the back of the printer. Next is to install the setup ink cartridges. This printer comes with the set of 2 ink cartridges. To install the ink cartridges, open the front chamber and also the next door behind it. The ink chamber will move and come into the middle. Now install the setup ink cartridges, place it here, the color ink, and push it in. Same with the black ink, push it inside. Remove any seal from the print heads. Now close it. Next is to load the paper. Paper goes at the back side of the printer. Slide it out. Adjust the size. Load the letter size paper. The printer will print the alignment page. We have to scan this alignment page. Open the lid, place the page facing down, close the lid and click on the color or black copy button. It will do the alignment. Alignment is done. Now open the lid and just remove this page. Next is to do the wireless setup. For that we need a smartphone. We are going to use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of the printer, that is Wi-Fi Direct. To activate it and print the password, we have to go to the printer control panel. On the panel, look for the Wi-Fi Direct icon. It should be just above the tricolor ink icon. If you don't see it, just press the wireless button once. It will activate the Wi-Fi Direct. It's there. To print the password, press the information button once. So that is the printer information page. It displays the name of the printer's Wi-Fi, that is HP DeskJet 2900 series, and below is the password. This password is different for each printer. Go to your smartphone and download the HP app from the App Store. So HP app is here. Once you download it, go to the settings and then open the Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone. Look for HP DeskJet 2900 series and select it. Enter the password of the Wi-Fi. So it should be the same password printed on the page. And click on the join. It is connected. Now go and open the HP app. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the second option. Add an existing printer, add device. Select HP DeskJet 2900 series. Instantly it will add up the printer and we are ready to use it. For example, to do the scanning, just open the lid, place the page here and click on the scan icon. So this will start the scanning process. So it's easy to set up the printer. You just need to install the setup ink cartridges, load the paper, and then you can just print the password and connect it with your smartphone, and then we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. Click on the next button and we can just add more pages, or we can click on the save or share and then it will give you all the information regarding your printer to save it in the location. So that's the way we can do the setup of this printer.